smoked it. That was awesome. I cast it right over there. He just smoked it. I lost him when I was trying to flip him up onto the bridge, but that's a really good sign. Throwing a mini little whopper plopper, like a junior whopper plopper almost. I'm gonna try and catch them on the fly right now, and then as the sun starts to go down, we'll really start to smoke them. Welcome to another episode.
We good?
I'm on a super shallow part, like it's ankle deep, but then right out there, like maybe, I don't know, a couple feet out there, I have a fish on. That's what I have. This is big, this is big, this is big. This is smallmouth, 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 smallmouth. This is big. This is big. Oh, that's big. That's big. That's a good one. Holy crap, that's so cool. Oh my gosh. It's just a bulldozer. Oh my goodness, that's a largemouth. Come on, buddy. Yes. Oh no. Got him. Yes. Heck yes. Yes. That is so cool. Look at this bad boy right there. Dude, this is so cool. Just a nice, absolute chunk right there. That's what you like to see. Look at that. Time for the release. All right, see you, big boy. Yes! You know, it's a Monday, right after school. I just left school and I was like, you know what, screw it. I'm gonna go to this creek 30 minutes out from where I live and have so much fun. And that's what I'm doing. Doing what I love in the wild. Not really out in the wild, I'm at a golf course, but whatever. Oh, it just felt so good. That sun is absolutely gone now. Oh, got one. Oh, holy crap. Oh, he's coming right towards me. He's swimming right towards me. Sweet, dude. Another largemouth. Look at that thing right there. That's an absolute beaut. Have an ant crawl. Oh, that's a tick. That's an absolute beaut right there. That's so sick. Perfect. Are you kidding me? While I was syncing up the audio, I have one. Rock bass. Just a good old Rocky. Just a little rock bass right there. He's off. He's ready to go do rock bass things. Come on, big boy. Oh wait, I just got thumped. Do I still have him? Yep. Oh my gosh. What am I doing with my life? So sad. Oh, I got one. Oh my, I swear it's those bluegill. Those bluegill are robbing me. Time check. 6:30. Sun goes down at 7, I think. So, you know, we only got 30 more minutes. Math. So hopefully we can absolutely crank them. What balls was that? Oh, I'm hung. Ah, gosh, I'm hung. I might have to go over to the whopper plopper boy. Oh, that was, oh, God. Oh my gosh, that hit me right in the gut. Oh, that was so freaking cool though. So what happened was I had something on it, probably a small fish. and it just started swimming with it. And then I set the hook. There was no fish there, so I was skiing it across the top of the water, and this fish just came out of nowhere and smoked it, dude. Not even kidding, just smoked it. And so then I set the hook again, and I had him, and then he spit it, and the hook hit me right in the gut, and it hurt. All right, it's the end of the day. It's getting dark outside. Ended up catching a couple fish. All in all, it was a pretty good day. Thanks for watching another episode of Goons TV.